And now, to tell us all about number 2 day, let me introduce number 2.
Hi, Count.
Oh, what is the matter, number 2?
Oh, I just wish I was number 1, that's all. No matter what I do, I'll always be number 2.
Oh, but 2 is such an important number.
Huh?
I need you to count my hands. 1, 2.
Yeah.
My teeth. 1, 2.
Yeah.
My bat. 1, 2. Now, tell everybody about number 2 day, please.
Oh, okay, Count. All the videos and games in the playlist will have me in them.
Oh, wonderful. Now, do you feel better?
Yes, thank you, Count. I'm number 2. I'm number 2.
Sometimes numbers can be so emotional.